Are you running VMware ESXi 8 and want to move to version 9.0? In this video, I'll show you two simple upgrade methods, using the ISO image and using the VMware offline bundle. By the end, you'll know exactly which one works best for your lab or production environment. Before upgrading, let's look at the common prerequisites that apply to both methods. Always back up, put the host in maintenance mode, check compatibility, and have your installation files ready. Let's start with the offline bundle method. This is quick, doesn't require a boot from CD, and works entirely inside your running ESXi host. First, you need to download the offline bundle from Broadcom.com. I have already downloaded the file. Before starting, we need to upload the ESXi host offline bundle to the ESXi data store. Wait until the upload is complete. Once the upload is complete, you need to enable SSH on the ESXi host. You can easily enable SSH by right-clicking on the host. Now, open a PuTTY session to the ESXi host. First, run this command to list the image profiles available in the bundle. Insert the uploaded offline bundle path and press Enter. You will then see the list of available image profiles. Now you can validate the changes before applying the update using a dry run. Use this command, and at the end of the command, insert the image profile name that we listed from the first command. If the dry run completes successfully with no issues, you can apply the update permanently. Run this command to apply the update permanently and wait until the process is complete. Now you need to reboot the system to complete the update. If you switch to the console, you can see ESXi booting from the new version. Now switch to the web interface and verify that the ESXi host has been updated from version 8 to version 9. Now let's look at the ISO method. This is the more traditional way, booting from an installer. Download the ESXi 9.0 ISO from VMware and create a bootable disk. Insert the disk into the server's DVD drive or mount it using the virtual media option. Then reboot the ESXi host. Now go to the boot manager and boot the ESXi host from the DVD. Read the welcome message and click Enter to continue. Read the End User License Agreement and press F11 to continue. Select the existing hard disk with ESXi 8.0 installed and press Enter to continue. Once the ESXi installer loads, select Upgrade ESXi. Now press F11 to start the upgrade. Upgrade task is running. Please wait until the upgrade task is complete. After the upgrade is complete, press Enter to reboot. Now you can see ESXi 9.0 loading. Now you've seen both upgrade methods for ESXi 8 to 9. the offline bundle for a quick in-place update, or the ISO method if you prefer a clean installer experience. Make sure you back up your configuration before upgrading. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more VMware tutorials. See you next time.